Hi, I'm Ali. Welcome to my calculus class. In a short video, I want to teach you how to solve infinity minus infinity limits. So let's go to the lesson. To solve any kind of infinity minus infinity limits, we should take two steps. Step 1, convert the limit into a 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity problem. And convert 2, apply L'Hopital's rule to get our answer. Did you get it? Let's go to the problem. Evaluate the limit 1 over x minus 1 over e to the x minus 1 as x approaches to the 0. Begin with direct substitution to realize what kind of indeterminate form we have here. So if I replace x with 0, I have 1 over 0 minus 1 over 1 minus 1. 1 over 0 in the kingdom of limits equals infinity. So I have infinity minus infinity. To solve an infinity minus infinity, which is indeterminate, I need to get the common denominator. The common denominator between x and e to the x minus 1 is a product of them. Am I right? Very good. So I'm going to write lim on the bottom, the product of x and e to the x minus 1. So 1 on top must be multiplied by e to the x minus 1, which gives me e to the x minus 1 minus 1 must be multiplied by x, which gives me x. X approaches 0 again. Use direct substitution. If I replace all the x's on top and bottom of the fraction by 0, gives me 0 over 0, which is indeterminate. Indeterminate 0 over 0 limits gives us the permission to apply L'Hopital's rule. So take derivative of top and bottom of the fraction by using L'Hopital's rule, which I like to say hope. The derivative of e to the x is e to the x. E to the x, the derivative of minus 1 is 0. The derivative of any constant is 0. And the derivative of minus x is minus 1. On the bottom, the derivative of product equals the derivative of first time times the second term plus the derivative of second term times the first term. So take the derivative of first term, which is 1. So I can write e to the x minus 1 plus. And now take derivative of the second term, which gives me e to the x. And that must be multiplied by x, which is equal to e to the x as x approaches 0. Again, apply direct substitution. Replace 0 on top and bottom of the fraction. Gives me 0 over 0. 0 over 0 means we need to use L'Hopital rules again. So take derivative of top and bottom of the fraction separately. The derivative of e to the x is e to the x, and the derivative of minus 1 is 0. On the bottom, the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. The derivative of minus 1 is 0. Again, the derivative of product. Take derivative of the first term, which is 1 times e to the x plus. Then take derivative of the second term, which is e to the x times x, as x approaches 0. Again, use direct substitution. On top, e to the 0 gives me 1. On the bottom, e to the 0 is 1. E to the 0 is 1. And 0 times any number is 0. So the answer is 1 over 2. Did you get it? Is it easy? A little, it's easy. Now it's your turn to test yourself. Evaluate this limit as x approaches 1. Don't forget to get the common denominator, and the common denominator between these two denominators is x squared minus 1. It's the gift of me for you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.